Our presenter today is an educational technology expert poised to explore how Datadog can revolutionize educational operations and enhance learning experiences. This presentation covers an introduction to Datadog, its key features and capabilities, and how it can be leveraged in the education sector for optimal outcomes. We'll begin with an introduction to Datadog, a powerful monitoring and analytics platform designed to optimize IT operations and performance in educational environments. Datadog provides unified monitoring of applications, infrastructure, and networks, offering a comprehensive, real-time view that ensures seamless educational operations and system performance. Datadog collects and analyzes data across the IT environment, offering deep insights through customizable dashboards, alerting, and notification features tailored for educational needs. Datadog's security features include threat detection, compliance monitoring, and data protection, safeguarding educational systems and ensuring adherence to regulations and standards. Learn from case studies how prominent universities have successfully implemented Datadog to enhance IT operations and ensure seamless educational infrastructure performance. Datadog's key features include application performance monitoring, infrastructure monitoring, log management, and synthetic monitoring, each vital for optimizing educational environments. Datadog's APM provides code-level visibility, transaction tracing, and error tracking, enabling educators to identify and resolve performance bottlenecks for an optimized user experience. Datadog offers comprehensive cloud infrastructure visibility, network performance monitoring, and resource utilization analysis, ensuring efficient and reliable access to educational resources. With centralized log management, visualization, and compliance features, Datadog enables educators to streamline operations and maintain regulatory adherence. Datadog's synthetic monitoring simulates user journeys and benchmarks performance, providing insights to enhance user experience and system performance in educational applications. Discover how Datadog empowers educational institutions by optimizing remote learning support, campus infrastructure, and research and development initiatives. Datadog helps educators make data-driven decisions by deriving actionable insights, optimizing resource allocation, and analyzing performance trends for strategic planning. Datadog enhances student experiences by optimizing application performance, proactively resolving issues, and supporting continuous improvement initiatives in educational technology. Datadog offers training and support resources, enabling educators and administrators to effectively leverage the platform for superior educational operations and outcomes. Collaborative data analysis features in Datadog foster a culture of data-driven decision-making and operational excellence among educators and administrators. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, contact local promotion to learn how Datadog can transform your educational institution.